Welcome back everyone. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the operators. Okay. So in SQL there are various types of SQL operators are there. The classifications are arithmetic operator, comparison operator and then logical operator. We shall see one by one in brief. In that first one, arithmetic operator. Okay. So before seeing the operators, just we are going to take two variables A and B. A is assigned with the value 20 and B is assigned with the value 10. Okay. So if we say arithmetic operators, in all the programming languages, the default operators are plus, minus, asterisk, slash and modulus. Plus means it is addition. So here the table is given, operator symbols and then description, then example. You just see first operator is plus, that is addition. It adds the values of both operands. So here we have taken two variable A and B, assigned the values 20 and 10. So the addition value is 30. Okay. And the next symbol is minus, that performs a subtraction. So it subtracts the right hand operand from left hand operand. Okay. According to the given value or taken value, the answer is 10. Next symbol is asterisk. It is going to multiply the two operands. So the multiplied answer is 200. Okay. Next symbol is slash. It performs the division. It divides the left hand operand by the right hand operand. Okay. The answer is 2. And next symbol is modulus. It is also performs the division. It divides the left hand operand by the right hand operand and returns the remainder. So this is actually the difference between the slash and modulus. Actually both the slash and modulus is going to perform the division, but the remainder will be the answer for the modulus symbol and the quotient will be the answer for the slash symbol. So that is what the major difference between slash and modulus. Okay. Let us see the next operator, that is comparison operators. First one, equal. It checks if two operands values are equal or not. If the values are equal, then condition becomes true. Okay. We can keep the values which we have taken in the previous operator type, that is A and B. A is having 20 and B is having 10. Okay. According to the condition, the first operator gives the result as not true. According to the taken values, the first operator gives the answer as not true. Okay. Next symbol is not equal. It checks if two operands values are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Okay. So the taken values are not equal, so that the answer is true. Next symbol is less than and greater than symbol is given. It also means that equal or not equal. Okay. If the values are not equal, then this condition, this symbol is also giving the answer as true. Okay. So according to the taken value, the answer is true. Next symbol greater than. Greater than means it checks if the left hand operand value is greater than the right operand value. If it is yes, then condition becomes true. Okay. According to the taken value, the condition is not true. Next symbol is less than. It checks if the left operand value is less than the right operand value. If condition is satisfied, then it becomes true. So here based on our taken value, the condition is true. Okay. Greater than or equal to. Next symbol is greater than or equal to. It checks the left operand value is greater than or equal to the right operand value. If yes, then condition becomes true. Okay. So our example gives not true as the answer. Next, less than equal. It checks if the left operand value is less than or equal to right operand value. If condition is satisfied, the answer is true. So based on our example, it is true. Next one, not less than. Okay. It checks the left operand value is not less than the right operand value. If the condition is satisfied, then it becomes true. So here our example is given not true as the result. Okay, next one, not greater than, it checks if the left operand value is not greater than the right operand value. If yes, then condition becomes true. Our example gives the answer as true. Okay, so these are the SQL comparison operators. Next operator is SQL logical operators. Okay, here we can see some of the different logical operators. In the first one, all. So what it is going to do, it compares a value to all values in other value set. Okay, that is the action of all operator. And next operator is AND. It allows the existence of multiple conditions in an SQL statement. It is actually the normal and logical operator performance. Next one, any. It compares the values in the list according to the condition. Based on the condition, it is going to compare the value in the list. Next one, between. It is used to search for values that are within the set of values which is given. Okay, it is going to search for the values which is given within the given set. Next one, in. It compares a value to that specified list value. Okay, it compares the values which are given in the specified value. Next one, not. Next operator is not. It reverses the meaning of any logical operator as like the normal logical operator. Okay, next one, or. It combines multiple conditions in SQL statements. Okay, or also performs a normal logical operators action. Next one, exist. Okay, it is used to search for the presence of a row in a specified table. Whether it is existing or not will be verified using the operator exist. Okay, next one, like. It compares a value to similar values using wildcard operator. Okay, so the given value is there again, like that it is going to verify whether the same value are repeating, like that it is going to verify. Okay, so these are some of the SQL logical operators. So these are the three classifications of SQL operators. Okay, thank you.